Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics grade 4. Our today's lesson is the revision of add like fractions related to the page number 568, in which the lesson is about add like fractions. Find each sum, write in simplest form. First of all, we have to add the given fractions and then we will make it in simplest form. Question number 1. 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. 4 options are given. You will have to solve and select the correct answer from the given 4 options. Number 1, 3 upon 6, 2, 1 upon 2. Next is 3 upon 8, and the fourth one is 3 upon 8, and you have to select the correct one. If you add the above fractions, 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6, you will get 3 upon 6. Both are in the table of 3. You will divide 3 upon 6 by up and down number, both the number divided by 3. You will get 1 upon 2. So correct answer is the second one, 1 upon 2. Next number is question number 2. These questions are not same as in your book. Numbers are different. You have to understand the questions, understand the method, and you will have to solve in your copybook. Question number 2. 2 divided by 6 plus 3 divided by 6. When you will add them, you will have to write in the given place. First solve and select which one is correct from the given options. First one is 4 upon 6. This is not possible. Next one is 1 upon 2. This is also not the correct answer. 3 is 5 upon 12. It is not right. The last one is 4 upon 5 upon number 4 is 5 upon 6. When you will add the above fractions, 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6, you will get 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 is the correct answer for the question number 2. Next question is 3. 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 10. You have to add these two fractions. First answer is 1. Second answer is 10 upon 10. Third, 10 upon 20. And the last one is 4 upon 10. When you will add this, you will get 10 upon 10. Both are in the table of 10. You will divide them by 10. You will get the correct answer is 1. You will write in the given place 1. Next number is 4. The numbers of the questions will not match in your book because it is made separate to give a concept and understanding about the lesson. 3 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8. When you will add both the numbers, 4 options are there. Number 1, 3 upon 6. Number 2, 6 upon 16. Third is 6 upon 8, and the last is 3 upon 4. When you will add the given numbers, you will get 6 upon 8. Both are in the table of 2. You will divide numerator and denominator by 2. You will get 3 upon 4. The last option, 4, that is 3 upon 4, is the correct answer for the above question number 4. Number 5, 5 divided by 12 plus 3 divided by 12. We'll solve and choose the correct answer. When you will add, you will get 8 upon 12, and both are in the table of 4. You will divide them by 4. You will get 2 upon 3 is the right answer. Number 7. 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10. You will add these numbers. Select your correct answer. 5 upon 20, 5 upon 10, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 8. When you will add 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10, you will get 5 upon 10. Both are in the table of 5. You will divide them. 5 divided by 5, you will get 1 upon 2 is the answer for 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10. Now in homework, you will do these questions in your copybook about the questions like add fractions. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.